Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own video game but felt completely overwhelmed by the tech side of things, the coding, the software, the design, then you're going to love what I've been testing out this week. So here's the real talk. I've always been fascinated by game development. I mean, who doesn't want to build their own GTA-style open world or some intense Fortnite-style battle royale? But every time I tried to dive in, I hit a wall. You either need to spend months learning to code or thousands of dollars on game engines and designers. And then, even if you do get the game built, you have to figure out how to promote it, how to monetize it, and how to actually get players. It's just too much for most of us. But recently, I came across something that genuinely made me stop and say, okay, this could actually work. It's called AI GameBuilder, and I've been playing around with it for a few days now. Let me just say, it's not what I expected, in a good way. AI GameBuilder is a web-based app that lets you create full-blown, high-quality video games using artificial intelligence. And when I say high quality, I mean console-level graphics, story-driven missions, cinematic effects, real voiceovers, the whole deal. The best part? You don't need any tech skills at all. No coding, no graphic design, nothing. Just a few clicks, and the AI takes over from there. When I first logged in, I honestly expected something super basic, like maybe a tool that churns out mini-games or clones of Flappy Bird. But no, this thing can create open-world games, multiplayer battle setups, tournaments, and even narrative-based adventures. It's kind of crazy how deep the AI goes. You can generate custom characters, build out full story arcs, add voiceovers in different languages and accents, even control animations and camera angles, and all of it is handled for you by the AI. What really caught my attention was how fast it works. I literally created my first game in under an hour, and that included picking out the environment, the characters, adding some voice dialogue, and publishing it to my own custom portal. Yep, it comes with a game portal you can brand and use to showcase your games. No extra setup, no hosting costs, no third-party tools needed. Now let's talk money for a second, because that's where this tool starts to feel even more interesting. Every time someone plays your game, clicks around, or completes levels, you get paid. You don't need to run ads, you don't need a big following, and you don't need to chase traffic. AI GameBuilder has a built-in traffic engine that connects your game to a global audience of gamers, and that's included. No upsells, no ongoing fees. You also get a commercial license, which means you can create and sell games to clients or businesses, or even launch your own little game studio. Everything you make is yours to keep, and all the profit is 100% yours. That's something you rarely see in tools like this. And let's not forget the price. I was shocked. For under $15, you get lifetime access. No subscriptions, no surprise charges. It's honestly one of the best low-risk, high-reward tools I've come across in a while. Now, is this thing perfect? Of course not. If you're a hardcore developer looking to code every detail by hand or build a game with full manual control, this isn't the tool for you. But if you've never made a game before and want something simple, powerful, and surprisingly fun to use, this is worth checking out. The interface is super clean, the learning curve is almost zero, and the results are way better than I expected. Anyway, I just wanted to share my experience with it because I know there are a lot of people out there who want to get into game creation but feel completely stuck. This might be the exact shortcut you've been looking for. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I've got a few more games I'm working on using the platform, so I'll keep sharing updates. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. See you soon.